Hi everyone, welcome to this video where we'll step you through creating a pay schedule in the web access version of the Reckon Payroll app. If you've subscribed to the premium plan for your Payroll app account, you'll have the ability to access your account from your internet browser on a PC. You'll have all the functionality of the mobile app, including creating employees, creating pay runs, sending STP submissions, and so on. If you're not currently subscribed to the premium plan and would like to upgrade, you can do so by tapping on the upgrade button in the Payroll app on your mobile and follow the prompts to subscribe via your Google Play or Apple App Store account. To access your Payroll app account from your PC, head over to payroll.reckon.com and sign in with your existing Payroll app login credentials. In this video, we'll take you through how to create a pay schedule and create a pay run using that pay schedule. Pay schedules allow you to create schedules set to specific pay frequencies and then add selected employees to those schedules, which you can then use when it's time to create your pay run. This is particularly handy if you have a set pay frequency for your employee or even groups of employees being paid at different times, as it cuts down on your need to create pay runs from scratch each and every time. Let's get started. First, you'll need to create the pay schedule itself. To do that, click on Settings and then Pay Schedules on the left. Click on the Create Pay Schedule button and then nominate the criteria for your pay schedule, including the pay frequency, the first pay period start date, the first pay date, along with giving the pay schedule a unique name so that you can identify it. You can also nominate the employees that you'd like to include in this pay schedule. Tap the Employees option and then select the employees you'd like to include. An important point to note is you'll only be able to select from the employees whose pay frequency matches the frequency of the pay schedule that you're creating. In this example, you'll see I'm creating a fortnightly pay schedule, so I can select the employees whose pay frequency is set to fortnightly. When you're done, click on the Create Pay Schedule button and your new pay schedule will appear in the list. You can also assign employees to a pay schedule through their profile. To do that, click on the Employees option in the menu, select the desired employee, and click on the Edit Details button. Scroll down to the Pay Schedule drop-down and select the pay schedule from the list. If you need to change the employee's pay frequency to match the frequency of the pay schedule, you can do so by editing the selection in the pay frequency drop-down. Follow the prompts to save your changes. To create a pay run using a pay schedule, click on the Add New button in the top right corner and select Pay Run. Select the pay schedule you'd like to use. Pay schedules that do not have any employees assigned to them will not appear in the drop-down for you to select from. You'll notice that the pay date, pay period, and employees have been automatically pre-filled and selected for you. You can use the pay schedule functionality in conjunction with the Copy Pay Items from Previous Pay Run feature, which will make creating your pay runs even simpler. Please note, you cannot change the pay period of a pay schedule once it's been set. So if you're creating a pay run that is outside of your usual cycle, please select the Unscheduled option. When you're ready to proceed with creating your pay run, click on Create. You'll notice that my employees' earnings, tax, and super have all been pre-filled as I've copied the pay items from a previous pay run. You can also make any edits if you'd like to by tapping on the edit icon and amending any items in the pay run. When you're done, click on Mark as Paid. And your pay run is now ready for submission to the ATO. You can send the pay slips to your employees by clicking the Send Pay Slips button and continuing on to the declaration page to send this pay run information to the ATO. Thank you so much for watching. A step-by-step help guide on creating pay schedules is linked in the video description. And for more help and support, please visit help.reckon.com or join our community at community.reckon.com.